Updating your legal profile on Transistor FM is essential to ensure that your podcast information is accurate and up to date. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Transistor FM website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the podcast you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Profile or Account Settings in the menu. Click on it to access your current legal profile information. Step 3. Edit legal information. In the Profile section, find the area designated for legal information. This may include details like your business name, address, and any relevant legal disclaimers. Click the Edit button to make changes as needed. Step 4. Review and save changes. After updating your legal information, carefully review all entries to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the changes, look for a Save or Update button and click it to save your modifications. Step 5. Confirm updates. To ensure that your legal profile has been successfully updated, navigate back to your profile page. Check that all changes are reflected correctly and that your information is current. By following these steps, you can easily keep your legal profile on Transistor FM updated. Regularly reviewing your information helps maintain compliance and ensures your podcast operates smoothly.